guys, I'm Luke and you are watching The Creative Way. So today, me and my friend Eric, aka the Techie Agent, linked to his channel down in the description box below, we are going to be doing a tech review for 3 tech gadgets for presents of Christmas 2020 that are around the $20 to $25 range. And we will put links to all of these products if you want to buy these down in the description box below. Me and Eric will be popping in and out of this video to review these 3 products. So let's get right into the video.
So the first really cool toy or tech item is this knit hat. Now this hat has a secret up its sleeve. It has built-in Bluetooth speakers that you can control with a little leather panel touchpad, and this hat is just really cool. It allows you to have the warmth and comfort of a knit cap in the middle of the winter, while you also are able to listen to Bluetooth streaming music coming from your phone, tablet, or another device that streams to the hat. Now it does charge using micro USB with a little port kind of cut out of the hat, and then again you have these leather controls that allow you to pause and start the music and control your volume. Now the hat is basically one size fits all, but it fit comfortably on my 4-year-old, and it was a little bit snug on my head, but not too bad. It definitely has enough room in the hat to basically fit all head sizes. Now it was a little bit difficult for me to use the controls while wearing the hat because they're on the side of the hat. So I definitely recommend, using the controls on your phone as much as possible. The hat is warm, it's comfortable. The Bluetooth speakers are surprisingly clear and loud. Just having something built in is kind of cool and kind of nice. And you can pick this up for right around $20. There'll be a link in the description below.
It's a headset and it's a memory game. So there are 2 valves, dials on either side. This one tightens and loosens the strap, and you just put it over your head and you can tighten it to however you want. This one actually turns it on. There's a little play button right here. If you press it, it'll turn on. And this is on single player mode. You can change it to team mode, but you'll need teammates and extra headsets to play team mode. So we're just going to be reviewing the single player mode. We'll press play again, and it'll get us right into the memory game. So I let my sister Zoe try this out, and she had lots of fun playing it. So a couple of the things with this Simon Optix game is that you have to remember the sequence of patterns and colors that you're seeing right in front of your eyes. And as soon as you pass a certain number, you move on to the next level. After you've moved on, it gives you, again, another sequence of patterns, and if you mess up, all you have to do is press the power button again to restart it. My sister actually got really good at this, and she ended up getting what I like to call the special Simon swoosh. Basically what happens is once you get up high enough, Simon gives you a move where you have to move all the way around the headset. And I like to call that the special Simon swoosh. What you have to do is remember the sequence of patterns and colors in your head and try to keep track. So as you can see, this game is fun for everyone because of the lights and the sounds that are encapsulated in this device. Simon Optix is a great present for Christmas of 2020 because we all need something to do, and this you can play it anywhere, anytime. It only requires 4 AAA batteries to power it.
The next tech toy is something that is really cool. This is a self-flying autonomous drone with 5 sensors built in order for it to be able to navigate around a room indoors. This is not an outdoor drone, but indoors this will fly around and it will have little cool stunts and tricks. It can light up with LEDs, it can perform flips, it can rotate, it does all of these things automatically, and it's just a really cool toy to have this self-flying drone that flies around the house house for someone that doesn't necessarily know how to fly a drone themselves. The drone has 4 sensors that face outward that allow the drone to kind of rebound off of walls. Now, occasionally it will sense the wall well before it gets to the wall, and it will turn around and kind of fly away from the wall. And then sometimes it will gently kind of tap up against the wall, but not too hard. The drone does a actually remarkably good job navigating itself around a room. Now, I will say that from time to time, it does kind of find itself into a corner, and it has difficulty in the corner, and you have to kind of help it get out of the corner. But it does a really good job navigating around the room. Additionally, it has a 5th sensor on the bottom of the drone that allows the drone to, be able to sense what's underneath it so that it doesn't fly too low. Also on the bottom of the drone, you'll have a micro USB charging port. You can just charge this with any standard micro USB plug that plugs into a charger. You'll have an on-off switch, and you'll have 2 different flight modes. One flight mode that just uses lights, and the other flight mode that uses both the lights and the built-in speaker in order to play some built-in music that it has. In order to activate the drone for flight, all you do is simply turn the drone on and then just throw it into the air, and it automatically detects that you're throwing it into the air, and the props turn on and it begins to fly around the room completely autonomously all by itself. It's really, really cool. Again, there'll be some links in the description of this video where you can purchase these on Amazon for the best price possible, and in most cases, most of these tech toys are right around $20 or even less.
So, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you would like to see me do more videos with Techie Agent, then let me know on my website. I think I do have a contact form on there. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!